This 2026 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 394G is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 44 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleep 7, Slideout, microwave, refrigerator, TV, carbon monoxide detector, oven, LP detector, stovetop burner, water heater, air conditioning, and 98 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 394G is 16,400 pounds. This 2026 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 394G. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.